एनडीए का परफॉर्मेंस रहा और एकजुट काम किया, उसके लिए भी हमने एनडीए साथियों को धन्यवाद दिया है।
सर, आज चुनाव पर चर्चा होनी है, क्या कुछ एक तरह से बता पाए?
देखिए, आज लोकसभा में इलेक्शन रिफॉर्म्स पे डिस्कशन शुरू होंगे और राज्यसभा में वंदे मातरम का 150 साल होने पर विशेष चर्चा शुरू होगी। वंदे मातरम का डिस्कशन राज्यसभा में आज गृह मंत्री अमित शाह जी शुरू करेंगे और 2 दिन का ये डिस्कशन चलने वाले हैं। लोकसभा में इलेक्शन रिफॉर्म्स को लेकर के चर्चा आज शुरू होंगे। आज समाप्त नहीं कर पाता है तो कल तक 2 दिन तक चर्चा होने का संभावना है। विपक्ष से भी बोलेंगे और सरकार बहुत अच्छी तरह से जो भ्रम खड़ा किया है उसको भी साफ करने का मौका मिलेगा और जनता ने जो विश्वास देते हैं, विश्वास के साथ साथ जनता डेमोक्रेसी में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, चुनाव प्रक्रिया में योगदान करते हैं, अपना मत देते हैं, उसको गलत नैरेटिव दे करके बहकावे में कोई ना आए, इसके लिए भी साफ अपना रुख रखने का मौका मिलेगा। और मैं एक बात और कहना चाहता हूं, वैसे वंदे मातरम का चर्चा लोकसभा में हो गया, राज्यसभा में तो होंगे। विपक्ष के कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि वंदे मातरम चुनाव की दृष्टि से, बंगाल में चुनाव है इसलिए करा रहे हैं। ये कितना गलत बात है। 150 साल अभी हुए हैं 7 नवंबर को, तो 150 साल का डेट हम तय नहीं करते हैं। जन्मदिन क्या आप एडवांस में मनाते हैं क्या? वंदे मातरम 150 साल अभी हुए हैं तो अभी चर्चा हुए हैं, उसको भी कहते हैं कि चुनाव के लिए लाया गया है। ये इतना महान हमारे जो भी हमारे स्वतंत्र सेनानी लोगों ने जो भी काम करके गया है उसका डेट हम तय नहीं करते हैं, हम उसको मनाते हैं। ये मैं साफ करना चाहता हूँ। वो तो आपको पता चले।
Well, that's the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju talking about today's agenda in the Parliament. As in about 20 minutes from now, we're looking at another day of the winter session of Parliament. Importantly, exactly what's going to happen is the debate on the electoral reforms, and Lok Sabha that would be debating that, including SIR, and there are leaders like Congress MP and leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi likely to open discussion, having repeatedly criticized the government for allegedly targeting the genuine voters. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi was felicitated by the NDA leaders at the parliamentary party meeting that was held today, and you could have seen that as far as he was felicitated and was presented with a large garland by the alliance leaders, concluding with the Bihar massive victory. We have Pragya with us right now. Pragya, good morning. Another day as far as in the parliament is concerned. Many things that are now being highlighted on part of the government side. Of course, this parliamentary party meeting where the Prime Minister was felicitated, the Vande Mataram debate that would happen in the Rajya Sabha today, and the debate on electoral reforms that will happen in the Lok Sabha today.
Absolutely, Amita. Mr. Kiren Rijiju, Parliamentary Affairs Minister, spoke extensively on what went on inside the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting, and he said that Prime Minister has given a guideline to all the MPs on how to work on reforms. The larger message for the MPs is to work for the people of the country, and they should not feel any difficulty, any sort of problem when it comes to the reforms and also to the government schemes and the government offices as well. This is the big message that Prime Minister has given, that the life of the people, whereas government is concerned, should be easier. They should not feel any kind of bureaucratic hustle, and also not just that. Apart from that hassle, there should be ease of whatever the schemes that are for them. They should be ready to avail them without any difficulty, and reforms becomes a major part of the discussion. Prime Minister also spoke about youth as to how they should be engaged in sports activities so that their energy can be channelized in a better manner. And This is what Prime Minister has focused on today. But having said that, electoral reform is a big issue. Today, there is a discussion in the Parliament, and Mr. Kiren Rijiju spoke extensively on that as well, saying that there will be many clarifications clarifications that will come during the debate and discussions.
And also
you know,
saying, as far as the legacy of 150 years of Vande Mataram that is being celebrated, well, that is something that is an occasion to celebrate when it comes to India's freedom struggle. And the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister called it unfortunate to link it with the upcoming elections in West Bengal. Pragya, for the moment, thank you very much. Back after a short break, you're watching Times Now.